Best MPEG4 set-top box with all features.
In this video, we are going to see about Solid 6141 set-top box. I got this one from Amazon for 1,500 rupees. Saying about its features, it comes with Sun Plus chipset, supports YouTube and IPTV, internet through Wi-Fi 3G modem and USB tethering, it's MPEG4 and Full HD, it can store 2,000 transporters and 5,000 channels, it can receive both C and Q band, USB 2.0 at front and back. Let's have a quick unboxing. In the box we have an 12-volt DC power adapter, an audio-video cable HDMI cable not included, and slim remote. It requires two small AA batteries. On the front side we have menu buttons and a USB 2.0 port. RS-232 port for connecting to computer. LNB port for inserting dish wire. HDMI port. Audio video port. USB 2.0 port. Power input port. On-off switch. There is shock in the metal plate. Now connect the adapter in the power input port. For connecting LNB, you need a screw adapter like this. Screw it into the LNB port. Now your dish wire goes here. In the next video, we are going to see the installation and its review. Thank you for watching. Like if it is useful and you need its installation and review. Have a nice day.